Let's start. First question is, if 2 raised to x minus 3 into 3 raised to 2x minus 8 equals to 36, then value of x is, I have solved this by hand because it's easier and faster. So here what we have to do is, first let's solve the left hand side. This a 2 raised to x minus 3. So a raised to b plus c, plus or minus, anything is same. So a raised to b plus c is, this is called as laws of indices. It means a raised to b into a raised to c. So this becomes 2 raised to x into 2 raised to minus 3. Similarly over here, 3 raised to 2x into 3 raised to minus x equals to this right hand side, 36. Now this, now 2 raised to minus 3. Now a raised to minus b equals to 1 upon a raised to b. So this becomes 2 raised to x into, this becomes 1 upon 2 raised to 3 into again this 3 raised to 2x into, this goes again down. So 1 upon 3 raised to 8 equals to 36. Now bring this denominator on the right hand side. So this becomes 2 raised to x into 3 raised to 2x on the left hand side equals to 36 into 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 8. Now don't solve this because this is a huge number. So what we'll do is we'll solve this left hand side again. For 3 raised to 2x, a raised to bc, this is like this. So it becomes a raised to b in bracket and then the whole raised to c. These are again called as laws of indices. So this 3 raised to 2x becomes 2 raised to x, this one, into 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to x, and the right hand side same. So this becomes 2 raised to x into 3 raised to 2 is 9. So 9 raised to x, again right hand side same. Now again the laws of indices, a raised to c into b raised to c equals to a into b raised to c. So this becomes, left hand side becomes 2 into 9, that is 18 raised to c, common one, that is x. So 18 raised to x equals to, now go to the right hand side. Now what we want is, here it is 18 as a base. So we again want here as 18. How to bring 18? 36 is what? 18 into 2. Bring this 18 into 2. 2 raised to 3 same. Now why I have kept this same and this I have changed, 3 raised to 8, because 2 into 9 is 18. We want 9 over here. So 3 raised to 2 raised to 4, same earlier one. This it was here, this a raised to bc. So this becomes 3 raised to 2 is what? 9. So 18 into 2 into 2 raised to 3 into 9 raised to 4. Now what is this? 2 raised to, nothing means what? 2 raised to 1. So it becomes 2 raised to 18 into 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 3. So again come back over here, this top one, a raised to b into a raised to c equals to a raised to b plus c. So this becomes 18 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1, that is 4, into 9 raised to 4. Now again come back over here, 2 raised to 4 into 9 raised to 4. How to solve this? For this we have again, we had solved it over here, a raised to c into b raised to c equals to ab raised to c. So this becomes 18 into 2 into 9, 18 raised to 4. Now nothing means again 1. So 18 raised to 1 into 18 raised to 4. So again the same, a raised to b into a raised to c equals to a raised to b plus c, this top one. So it becomes 18 raised to 5. So now we have 18 raised to x equals to 18 raised to 5. So base is same, so x equals to 5. You